If you are tired of dealing with lukewarm leftovers, rubbery vegetables, and microwaves that take forever just to heat up a cup of coffee, then it is time for a serious upgrade. Today we are looking at the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS, a 1.2 cubic foot powerhouse that is hands down one of the most reliable and efficient countertop microwaves you can put in your kitchen. This isn't just a basic heating box. It is a smart, sleek, and high-performance machine designed to take the guesswork out of your daily cooking routine. Click the link below for the best price available right now, and let's jump into why this is a massive win for your countertop. The first thing you'll notice is the premium black stainless steel finish, which looks incredible in any kitchen, but the real magic is what's happening under the hood. With 1,000 watts of cooking power and 10 distinct power levels, you have total control over everything from delicate defrosting to high-heat steaming. The star of the show is the built-in smart humidity sensor. This tech constantly monitors the steam levels inside the oven and automatically adjusts the cooking time and power for you, so you never have to worry about overcooking your food or drying out your dinner ever again. It takes the stress out of meal prep and guarantees perfect results whether you are reheating a slice of pizza or cooking frozen veggies from scratch. Toshiba has also packed this unit with features that actually make your life easier every single day. It comes with 12 pre-programmed auto menus, including options for popcorn, pizza, potatoes, and even softening butter, all accessible through an incredibly intuitive control panel. If you need a little peace and quiet, there is a dedicated mute button to silence those annoying beeps and an eco mode that helps you save energy when the unit isn't in use. Inside, you get a spacious 12.4-inch turntable that easily handles larger plates, and the interior is designed with a durable, easy-to-clean coating that wipes down in seconds, so you don't have to spend your evening scrubbing away baked-on spills. If you want a microwave that combines professional power, smart sensors, and a beautiful, modern look, this is the one to beat. Click the link below to grab the best price. Drop a comment letting me know your favorite microwave hack, and I will see you in the next one.